Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discussing about exercise problems. So first question, look at the activities listed below. Reason out whether or not work is done in the light of your understanding of the term work. First of all, A. Suma is swimming in a pond. First of all, what is meant by work? Work is completed when satisfy the two conditions. What are those two conditions? First one is force acting on the object. Second one is displacement by the object. Those are the two conditions. If the two conditions are satisfied, then the object is done the work. If those two conditions are not satisfied, if the object is not done the work. So first, Suma is swimming in a pond. Imagine the situation in your mind. I will show the picture. This is the situation. One person is swimming in a pond. So in this situation, how the force is acting on the person and what is the direction of the displacement of the person. When a person is in swimming, so his hands, usually his hands, water can be pulled backside. So that is the force acting on the person. I will show the direction of the force. This is the force direction. Displacement of the person is in forward direction. In this situation, force and displacement are in opposite direction. Force this side, displacement of the object, person is forward direction, force is in backward direction. So force, displacement both are the satisfied the conditions, so work is done. Answer, work is finished whenever the given two conditions are satisfied. First one is a force act on the body. Second one is there is a displacement of the body by the applying of the force. In A, where the swimming, Suma applies a force to push the water backward direction. In the person applies the force to pull the water backward direction. There is a Suma swimming with the forward direction causes by the forward reaction of the water. Through the force, Suma can be moves forward direction, that is nothing but displacement. Here force causes a displacement, hence work is done. Second one, a donkey is carrying a load on his back. In this case, we are understanding what is the direction of the force acting on the donkey and what is the direction of displacement of the donkey. So here the direction of the force through the backs downward direction, so this is the force acting direction, but displacement of the donkey is forward direction. So these two are in perpendicular direction. Perpendicular means like this. So here I have angle theta equal to 90 degrees. So when force and displacement or conditions are satisfied, so work is done. But here, which type of the work is done? If force and displacement are in perpendicular direction, the work is 0. So there is no work in this case. This is the answer. Whereas carrying a load, the donkey should apply the force within the upward direction. So force acting upward direction, and displacement of the load is within the forward direction. So since displacement is perpendicular to force, so force and displacement are in perpendicular direction, so the work is 0. Here work is there, but that work value is 0. Next, see a solution. A windmill moves against the gravity to the elevator of the water. Against means force is acting on the one direction, its displacement is in opposite direction. Here work is finished by the windmill lifting a water from well. So that is the windmill lifting a water from a well, work is done. Next, D. A green plant is carrying out a photosynthesis. In this case, work done is 0. Why? Because force is acting downward direction, because fruits gravity act towards the downward direction, and displacement of the fruits is 0. How the energy is take the fruits from the sunlight, the photosynthesis process is done. So here work done is 0. Answer for D. During this case, there is no displacement of the leaves, the plant, and fruits also. So therefore the work done is 0. Next, an engine is pulling a train. In this situation, we have to identify the force and displacement direction. So what is the force direction and displacement direction? So here force direction, this direction, and displacement. So force and displacement both are in same direction. So here force displacement conditions are satisfied. So work is done. Answer for E. An engine applies the force to tug the train. This permits the train to within the direction of the force. So train can be pulled by the engine. So there is a force and displacement within the direction of the train. So work is done. Here force and displacement are in same direction. So work is done. Next, food grains are getting dried in the sun. Here food grains are there. They are drying with the sunlight. So these food grains are cannot move, so that the displacement of the food grains is 0. Displacement S equal to 0. So that work done is 0. So as displacement S equal to 0, work done is 0. How they are getting the energy? Due to the sunlight. Food grains does not move within the presence of the alternative energy. So the displacement of the food grains is 0. So work done is 0. Last one. A cyboat is moving due to wind energy. Here wind energy uses the cyboat, it can be moved the forward direction. So here what is the direction of the force and displacement? Here force and displacement directions are force acting this direction and displacement acting this direction. Both force and displacement are in same direction, so work is done. So answer, wind energy applies a force on the cyboat to push the forward direction. There is a displacement within the boat in the direction of the force. Here work is done. So force and displacement, both conditions are satisfied, work is done.